Hi friends, I am happy nga naabot ka diri na sa age. With that, I congratulate you because the voice from your heart win nga nag-ingon sa imuhang mind to continue up to this video. I believe nga that voice inside you is the calling from your version of self who dreams big, who dreams something bigger nga ma-experience ang life with advantage. Karon, ang pangutana kung saan pag-start. Number 1, send your scanned copy of college diploma to my messenger account. Number 2, take exam. Number 3, attend online training, and voila, it's done. As easy as that. Also, the examination has fee, which is 1,010 pesos. That payment kay for the examination to get your license, just like when you take exams sa PRC or sa civil service, our government collect as an examination fee. Ron, I assume na some people kay in action og kabalaka kay naay exam. Okay lang na. Kay every great thing comes with standard jud by passing this licensing exam. But isa ra ako ang mag-guarantee. Under Life Advantage Community, natay 98% passing rate. Just like before you take PRC or civil service exam nga naay review session for 150 items exam, kita diri naapod. Ug good thing kay dili 150 items ang exam. Dili pod 100 o dili pod 80 items. The exam has minimal questions focusing sa topic of insurance, investment, retirement, or alike. So our reviewer has it all to give you the confidence na you are one of the 98% nga nakapasar under Life Advantage Community. Anang 2% nga wala nakapasar kay mauna atong mga tao nga insulod ra diri sa community kay curious lang o wala gibasa ang reviewer. Pero kung insulod ka diri because you want to earn 40,000 income per month, part-time og maka-travel for free, for sure nakasulod sa 98% na group. So start your first step on this journey. Click the button below and I am excited to be with you in this journey.